Hello everyone and welcome to another episode. Today I will be reviewing wigs from AngelixBeauty and I'm excited because AngelixBeauty was the first wig I bought ever. So which is this one, and it looks so nice like the first time I got it. So I'm excited to see these two new wigs that I got, and she recently had a sale, so I had to get more wigs. And this is the box. I opened it. It comes with a free piece of jewelry, and this one brought 2 caps, so that's always good. And I also ordered for the first time the wig grip on clear. I've been using the wigs with just the caps, so I'm excited to try the grip to see the difference between having it and not having it. So let's see. I bought Clarke and Vine. Alright, let's start with Clarke. This is Clarke. This is Clarke. It's long, very long. But I really like this curl. I really like this curl. It's really soft. Really soft. Look at this. I like that it moves. Look. It moves. It's soft. It doesn't look like it's shedding. At the beginning when I got this one, I think this one was called Tomasa, but I haven't seen it on the website anymore. This one was shedding when I got it out of the box, and I got really scared. I'm like, oh my god, what did I do? It was my first wig. But after I brushed it, it didn't shed anymore, so I was very happy for that, and that's why I bought 2 more. I like the part. I really like the part. This is a lace front and has clips, and also is adjustable. So it's always nice. And I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this later so you can see how it looks. But so far so good. Alright, now let's see Vine. Alright, this is Vine. It's long and it has some highlights inside. It's free part, so you can put it anywhere. And it's really soft. Really soft. It's actually softer than this one. You can tell. Can you tell? This is really soft. It also doesn't seem like it's shed, and doesn't seem like it's tangling. Look, I can. And I'm gonna try them on and see how they look. Stay tuned. Alright guys, this is Clarke, and so far I really love it. It looks very natural, very soft. The wig has movement, and yeah, I like it. Let me show you the back. This is really nice. I can run my fingers through it and it's not like, you know, crazy tangling. Look. And I just pass my finger through it and it's not shedding at all. So I really like it. Let me know what you think. And now let's try the next one. All right, this is Vine, and I am in love with her. It's a free part, so I can have it anywhere, any way I want, middle or side. And I think I prefer side. So I haven't cut the lace, but look at this hair. It's really soft, really soft, and it looks so natural. Wow. I saw in the pictures and I wasn't sure if I should get it or not, but oh my god, this looks so natural. It's long and it has highlights inside, but look the movement of it. Looks like when you get a keratin treatment. Look at this. Wow. Let me show you the back. I really like Vine. It passed the test. Let me know what you think, which one was your favorite. I cannot stop touching this hair. This is amazing. All right. Until the next one. See you later. Thank you for watching.